What is up guys, Fahan here with Zah once again. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another product review. And yeah, as you guys know, Cardo Systems has a reputation in the motorcycling world for having the best lineup of Bluetooth intercom for riders.
As for ourselves, we are using the Cardo Packtalk Bowl currently. And what do you think about it?
Wow, I have to say, using the Packtalk Bowl changed my life. I mean, I can listen song. The sound quality is also quite decent with the JBL speakers. And whenever we're going riding and go riding with him, we can talk, discuss about anything and everything under the sun. And then what I like is the DMC mode is that when we are disconnected, like sometimes Zah in front, I got left behind. It reconnects automatically.
When we are not talking, it's really silence out, so you can actually continue listening to your music. And there are sometimes when we want to talk, suddenly the music will go into the background, you know.
Yes, correct.
And then one of the features that I like, as you go faster, the sound, the music become louder. To compensate for the...
It auto-adjusts.
Auto-adjusts,
yes. The sound auto-adjusts. The volume auto-adjusts the sound pula. Okay, so recently, Cardo launched the replacement for the Packtalk Bowl, which is the Packtalk Neo, and they have kindly sent us a package actually. While this flagship, Packtalk H, has been making waves since it was launched, Cardo recognizes the budgetary needs of certain riders. And the Packtalk Neo provides riders an option with a bit of compromise, but at a much more accessible price.
Okay, so let's do the unboxing.
Wow, so they actually sent us this package. It's like influencer materials. Right, with Cardo. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna unbox the top box first. So
what do you think?
Feels light. Okay, wonder what did they give us. Oh wow! Look at this. Wow, they even have a note for us. Hi Zah and Fahan. Hope you enjoy riding with Cardo. Best regards.
Cardo System Asia Pacific.
Wow, touching us.
This person has very nice handwriting, sir. Lawa sir, dia writing dia.
Nice, like very pleasing to the eye, right? Like John Hancock kind of thing. Okay, so what is this? A cushy.
This one is a helmet cushion.
Helmet cushion. Oh, helmet also need cushion.
You can put your helmet like that, or you can, you know, while you want to install your Cardo, right? You can just put this upside down, then you can work on it.
Oh, interesting.
You can dry your helmet like that also.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, cool lah. Wow, cool lah. Wow, and of course you got the Cardo hats as well.
This one is the baseball cap.
But this one is a different version.
This one is the baseball cap. The previous one is the
mesh.
Is the what do you call that? Snapback.
Snapback. Yeah, and it features the word Cardo over here. Wow, thank you Cardo so much for these awesome gifts. So this is the second package that they give us. Wow, see guys. And there's also a little note. Oh my gosh. This one the handwriting different.
Definitely two different person. Same message, but two different person.
And here is the unit itself lah. Wow, look at this guys. Cardo Packtalk Neo. Wow. Okay lah, same standard packaging, all of the other lineup. So we shall do the honors of unboxing the Packtalk Neo for the first time. It's been in the market for quite some time already. This is our first experience with it.
Hey Cardo, unpack.
Okay lah, unboxing Wow. Like unbox handphone New handphone guys. Here we go, sliding out the cover. Wow, and immediately you are greeted by the two units. Okay, because it's a duo pack, so there's two units inside. Overall outlook is similar to the H, but the plastic cover, the plastic cladding over here, it has a dark grey while it's black on the edge. A nice, very streamlined design, very minimalist and modern, and also less chunky compared to the Bowl. It's smaller also. I like its compact size.
Yeah, it's slimmer. I mean, slightly slimmer lah. And one thing I like about this is the USB-C.
USB-C, yes,
charging.
finally updated.
I really don't like about charging with the micro USB. Sometimes, you know, the connection cannot be proper, you know. I do not know why, but for Packtalk Bowl, you need to have a micro USB that is actually much longer. You know?
Yes. I agree.
You have to, it has to be a bit longer, you know, not the standard short micro USB.
So the micro USB, not all can also put inside. But this one seems okay. I think your handphone charger also can. Or even the Apple charger. Yeah, because I accident. But it still works though. It works fine. For the Packtalk Edge, they've removed some features to keep its prices down. The mounting is a clickable cradle rather than magnetic on the edge. Also, you cannot charge it while you're using the unit. So if you're like, you know, long distance touring, it's recommended that you get the Edge instead as you can charge on the go.
But then again, it feels very awkward, you know, to have a wire dangling here, you know. Then you want to.
But I think if you are going on touring, right, you need to be in constant communication. That should do just fine.
Maybe I would reckon. Maybe probably, you know, if you are riding like on a long stretch of highways, you know, like 2-3 hours at a time, right? That feature will actually be very useful lah.
Not only that, warranty for the Neo is 2 years, but it's 3 years on the Edge lah. But if you ask me, it's still a great compromise. I mean, doesn't skip out on the features and technology. It's still waterproof, and there's universal Bluetooth connectivity with Bluetooth 5.2, even with rival brands.
One thing I love about Cardo system is that it is voice activated. You can actually use your voice. Hey Cardo, play music. Hey Cardo, radio on. Hey Cardo, battery status.
Oh my gosh. Yes. And the unique selling point for the Packtalk range of intercoms is that it uses a DMC technology intercom lah. This is the second generation, self-healing. No need to repair lah. You join back the convoy immediately. You come in contact already.
And you can actually connect up to 15 riders to a range of up to 1.6 kilometers. When we first tested, we thought that from point A to point B, 1.6 kilometers, but you know, it didn't live up to our expectation. But then we realized it's not from rider A to rider B, it's rider A to B to C to D to E up to 1.6 kilometers. I think probably even longer, but on paper just put 1.6 kilometers.
Let's check out the box. Okay, so we got the instructional booklet here, pocket guide, Cardo Connect app, installation guide over here, and also the warranty. Wow, lots of paperwork.
This one, thank you for your purchase. Tell your fellow riders what you think. If you're satisfied with the product you have received, we certainly do appreciate positive feedback and reviews on your retailer's website.
Interesting.
5 star.
5 star.
If I got extra, I give one more.
Okay, so Cardo sticker, importantly. Let's unpack further. Over here, what do we have? This is the JBL speakers. This is the USB-C. This is the cradle, which snaps in place. And over here, what do we have? Which snaps in place. And over here, this is the mic. This is the mic for the full face. And some Velcro for the speakers inside the helmet. Alcohol pads. And there's 2 mounting options. There's the
stick on
adhesive mount.
Adhesive mount. Stick on the helmet.
Stick on the helmet. This is a permanent option. And also a clip, which is a temporary option. Like you borrow somebody's helmet or what, you can use this. Yeah, this is the harness to connect the speaker and the mic, and also this is the boom mic itself for the open face helmet.
Open face and modular
helmets. So another thing about these JBL speakers is that they are known for their quality. I think if you like listen to all the abings on the e-scooter, they like to buy the portable Bluetooth JBL speakers because it's damn loud, right? It's like you know e-scooter is coming. So JBL has this reputation, and so far I think on the bowl, and I've been using on the bowl, I think it's okay, decent quality. I wouldn't say it's good, but it's decent. What do you think?
Although I prefer a bassy speaker, but the speakers on JBL are just perfect, you know. You can listen to clear voice.
Yes, I think most importantly when you're communicating with your partner, you can hear every word clearly.
Yes, you can actually hear properly. You know, not music, I prefer bassy, but in terms of voice, JBL speakers are crystal clear.
Okay.
See. Oh, okay.
Like that.
So this is the
way it connects.
The way it is supposed to connect lah.
I like that it snaps also because it's reassuring to know. See the clicking sound. It's reassuring.
With the edge, because it's magnetic, right?
Yes.
You know, if you have something lodged in between, mount will not be as effective. Compared to the Packtalk bowl, which was assembled in Ukraine, this one is assembled in China.
Oh. It's because of the conflict we have going on right now.
I don't know, but you know, you have some. The bowl was like in Ukraine, you know, like cool per Ukraine.
Okay, so speaking of that, let's talk about the price. So what you see here, 2 units and the accessories with the 2-year warranty is 880 Singapore dollars.
So you can get this direct from Chong. They are the official distributor for Cardo.
Yeah, so the unit itself, the warranty, the support, accessories, they even have installation services that's available in the showroom at 45 Desker Road.
Let's say if you bought a Cardo unit from elsewhere, online or somewhere else, and then you come back to Chong for warranty, unfortunately they will not be able to cover it. But they will try their best to help you out. You know, if you have any problems, any issues arising from the product, but there's no warranty cover because warranty will cover only from products you buy from them.
Best you just buy from Chong itself because the support and the warranty is there And if you cannot drop by to 45 Desker Road, you can always go online to the Shopee and online store
you can
buy it yourself
They also have additional mounts.
If you have like 3 helmets, you want to put all 3 helmets, but you only got 1 unit.
So you can actually buy an additional mount, right, to install for each of your helmets. You know, having that option will be much better, sir.
Yeah.
You know,
right?
I was thinking of getting a new helmet. You know.
But now they gave you this already, so now you can put a new helmet. Okay lah. So guys, that's it for unboxing and first impressions of the Cardo Packtalk Neo. I have to say it's pretty positive. We're looking at the specs so far, and up next we're gonna install it and how to operate.
I just love the design.
It's so slick, right? It looks like a spaceship.
It looks it looks like spaceships.
And in future we're gonna put it to a real world test in Medini. Real world road test.
That's a mouthful.
It's a mouthful in Medini. I think that's the best place to do a test for the age. Maybe we get some guys to join us, with other branded
brands.
Other brands also. Yeah, why not?
I think Fizo.
Fizo, yes. He will be keen to do it. Yeah, so that's it for the vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Give me all of your love.